Hello everyone, welcome to online class English language for class 3rd. Let's start. Today I will continue from here. See, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given nouns. Number 1. Two are walking on the pavement. Two men. Man is in singular form. So here we should put man in plural form. This is two men. Two men are walking on the pavement. Number 2. A pair of are grazing on the field. A pair of oxen. The plural form of ox is oxen. The pair of oxen are grazing in the field. Number 3. I brush my teeth daily. The plural form of tooth is teeth. I brush my teeth daily. Number 4. There is a in my class. There is a mouse in my class. Here we can see a. So we can put with a, that is mouth. The plural form of mouse is mice. Number 5. He often does not wear his slippers, so his are dirty. His feet are dirty. The plural form of foot is feet. Number 6. The pair of geese. The plural form of goose is geese. Geese are crackling in the yard. Next 7 to 12 you will do by yourself. This is taking singing lessons. This child is taking singing lesson in autumn. In autumn the leaves fall from the tree. Number 9. Mother bought from the market. Mother bought tomatoes from the market. The trains are late. The trains are late. There is a table and 10 chairs in my class. 12. Two thieves entered the house at night. Now let's write. Just cut it. This is not your syllabus. Now I'm going to teach you chapter 5, nouns, gender. Let's get started. Write whether the words in bold refer to the male, M, or female, F, person or animal. The king is sitting on his throne. Here king is male. So write here M. The she-goat ate leaves from the tree. She-goat is female. My father teaches me maths. Father is male. The girl came first in class. Girl is female. Let's read it. Words which shows if a person or animal is male are said to be of the masculine gender. Words which shows if a person or animal is female are said to be of the feminine gender. For example, the duke is riding his horse, masculine gender. The duchess, the female form of duke is duchess, is wearing a red gown, feminine gender. Here are some masculine nouns and their feminine nouns. Let's see. Boy, girl, man, woman, uncle, aunt, father, mother, son, daughter, king, queen, prince, princess, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, poet, poetess, horse, mare, bull, cow, fox, vixen, cock, hen, peacock, peahen. Now let's complete this exercise. A. Write the words in the box in the correct column. Boy, aunt, fox, man, queen, hen, tiger, cow, father, grandmother, son, sister. First is boy in masculine gender. Next, aunt is in feminine gender. Fox is in masculine gender. Man is in masculine gender. Queen is in feminine gender. Hen is in feminine gender. Tiger is in masculine gender. Cow is in feminine gender. Father is in masculine gender. Grandmother is in feminine gender. Grandmother. Son is in masculine gender. Sister is in feminine gender. Next exercise B. Write the masculine gender of the nouns. Girl, boy. Hen, cock. Mother, father. Queen, king. Cow, bull. Maid servant, male servant. Mare, horse. Tigress, tiger. Waitress, waiter. Waiter. Daughter, son. The next exercise, write the feminine gender of the nouns. He goat, she goat. Lion, lioness. Grandfather, grandmother. Peacock, peahen. Nephew, niece. Host, hostess. Uncle, aunt. Wizard, witch. Prince, princess. Fox, vixen. Wizard, witch. Rest you will do by yourself. D. Underline the nouns in the sentence, then write M for masculine nouns and F for feminine nouns. Number 1. Peacock. Here peacock is male, means masculine gender. Number 2. My uncle owns this horse, masculine gender. Number 3. The waitress remembers me. The waitress remembers me. Here waitress is feminine gender. Number 4. The prince fought bravely. Here prince is masculine gender. Do you know this poet? Here poet is masculine gender. The fox is very clever. Here fox is masculine gender. Next, 7, 8, 9 and 10 you will do by yourself. Grandfather is masculine. Bull is masculine. Lion is masculine. Here boy with his sister. Here boy is masculine but sister is feminine. Now don't forget, noun which refers to male persons or animals are of the masculine gender. Nouns which refers to female person or animals are of the feminine gender. So cut it, let's write, cut it. So that is it for today. We will continue next chapter in next video. Thank you and take care.